Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Prime Video fix keeps crashing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix the issue, what you need to do is just head over to your settings app and then head over to the general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on Prime Video, and once you're inside here, tap on offload app and then tap offload app once again. And what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that was causing the problem. And once this process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that and then go back and try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Prime Video and then tap on it and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. And now go back and try again. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.